Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the simplest control. Turn the key to accessory or start the engine so the head unit is fully powered. Once done, enable Bluetooth and make your phone visible. That lets the radio detect it immediately. Press the phone button on the Chevrolet utility display to open the phone menu and select Add Phone. You do this first because the head unit must be actively searching when the phone broadcasts its name, which avoids timeout failures and missed pairing attempts. Now focus on the pairing handshake. When your phone name shows on the display, tap it to initiate. You will see a PIN on both devices. Compare and confirm the number to authenticate the connection. Make sure to enable both phone, HFP, and media, A2DP profiles so calls and audio stream correctly. Once paired, allow contact and message access so caller ID and call logs sync. This step ensures both hands-free calling and music playback work together without manual switching later. Finish by setting the newly paired device as preferred so it connects automatically each time. This saves you from repeating the process. Then verify everything. Place a quick call and play a short music clip to confirm microphone, phone audio, and media streaming. If something fails, the most effective fix is to remove old Bluetooth entries, reboot your phone and the vehicle head unit, and repeat pairing. This clears conflicts and forces a fresh connection, which resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.